Okay, so let's hop on into this beautiful lace wig by Neat and Sleek. It's a full braided lace front wig. It's just so realistic. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and also the knots are pre-bleached. They did a really good job at bleaching the knots. I would say that this is a 1B27. The color is not listed on the site, and it is broad length. Of course, you get the combs in the inside and a wig band. The band has these extra hooks so that you can hook it to adjust to your head size, and the lace construction is very breathable. Stay tuned. Okay, so we know that it's COVID and I could not get a flesh colored stocking cap, so I'm going to use some foundation just to cover it to make it look like scalp. Spray it with Got to Be Glued and then lay her down.